Here I have my MagSafe battery pack by Apple, OtterBox Lumen case. We can slap it on and boom, now it is charging perfectly. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this case right here. This is the OtterBox Lumen case for none other than my iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox, though, for sending me this case out for free in order to make this video about it. So, thank you very much, OtterBox. But without further ado, let's start getting this guy open. Here we go. So, folks, here we are, up close and personal with this box. As you can see, it says OtterBox Lumen Series with MagSafe. We've got a cutout right here where we can actually see and touch the case itself. Over on the back, it says designed for iPhone, protected by OtterBox. It's got raised edges to protect the camera and screen, scratch resistant, and lastly, it's got a sleek pocket-friendly profile. So let's just go ahead and open this up and pop the case itself out. Nice and easy. Here it is right here. We can put the box to the side. We've got some paperwork right here hidden behind the case itself, and we can pop it out. And now let's go ahead and put it on my beautiful iPhone 14 Pro Max right here. So we can go and pop the phone in just like this. Here we go, and we can go ahead and push the bottom in as well. Let's see. Okay, there we go. And now it is on my phone. So as you can see, the back of the case has this nice gradient design where it is almost sort of white or grayish up here and then darker and black down here. We also can see those MagSafe magnetic rings right here for that MagSafe compatibility. And we do have that raised lip around the rear cameras for some added protection. Over here on this side of the case, we've got an OtterBox logo right there. Kind of hard to see, so hopefully you guys can make that out engraved into the case. We've got the side button right here, so yes, that works just fine. We can go ahead and unlock the phone. Over here on this side, we've got the volume buttons. We can play with those. Okay, those work fine. Over here, we also have a cutout for the mute switch. We can go ahead and use that. And then over on the bottom, we have cutouts for the speaker grills as well as the lightning port. And now that we've done a quick walk around of the case, I will note one of my first impressions of this case is it definitely feels quite slippery in the hand on the sides and the back because of this material right here. But I will note it is still a slim case, so that is good right there. And we can go ahead and test out the MagSafe. So right here, I have my MagSafe battery pack by Apple, OtterBox Lumen case. We can slap it on and boom, now it is charging perfectly just like that. As you can see, it sticks on because of those MagSafe magnets. We can also test it out with my Apple MagSafe charging puck right here and boom, that works just as well. And now folks, since I just also unboxed the OtterBox Figura case, which they also gave me for free in order to make a video about, I will say I'm definitely thinking I prefer the Figura over the Lumen right here because this is definitely way less slippery feeling in the hand. And I also think this design is much cooler, this sort of watercolor design. So that's just my preference right there, but definitely feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these cases. Do you have them for yourselves? Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let me know because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you guys are interested in picking up the OtterBox Lumen case right here for yourself, it will set you back about $50, so same price as the Figura here. And the Lumen does come in a bunch of other colors in addition to this black color that I've got going on right here, which I will say the black definitely does look good with my deep purple iPhone 14 Pro Max right here because, you know, it's a dark purple color. Also, if you guys are in the market for your very own iPhone 14 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different 14 Pro Max cases that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out as well. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.